My point exactly. Yes, it was a Marvel comic from like the late 90s, I believe, about a bunch of superheroes in Japan, hiccups, and like Baymax, he looked different. Like Hero was kind of a little bit different too. He had like big old spectacles and everything. And like Wasabi and Fred, they were actually introduced in like the second series of that thing. Still hiccups. But yeah, the Disney adaptation practically eclipsed the original Marvel comic so much that Marvel doesn't even want to touch Big Hero 6 as a team because the movie adaptation and cartoon adaptation swept it under the rug, quality wise, essentially. Hiccup.